Let us discuss Cannizzaro reaction. It is self-oxidation reaction, disproportionation reaction. It is a reaction of aldehyde with no alpha hydrogen. In this reaction, 50% molecule of aldehyde are oxidized and remaining 50% molecule are reduced in the presence of 50% sodium hydroxide. Cannizzaro reaction is another reaction of carbonyl compound, but it is given by aldehyde with no alpha hydrogen. Now look at the alpha carbon and alpha hydrogen and also condition of Cannizzaro reaction. We will deal with formaldehyde and benzaldehyde. Formaldehyde no alpha carbon, no alpha hydrogen. Benzaldehyde also has no alpha hydrogen, but alpha carbon is there. Similarly, furfuryls contain alpha carbon but no alpha hydrogen. These are the aldehyde with no alpha hydrogen, and we will discuss them. Let us discuss first of all Cannizzaro reaction of formaldehyde. Right molecule give hydrogen to left molecule and sodium hydroxide give hydrogen to blue molecule. In this way, two hydrogen are added to blue molecule of formaldehyde, which is reduced to methyl alcohol, and other molecule, black molecule, gain ONA and it is oxidized. When we consider the mechanism, sodium hydroxide ionizes to give OH negative ion. OH negative ion attacks carbonyl carbon to give alkoxide ion. Complex alkoxide ion is formed. This is the attack of base on one molecule of formaldehyde. Now oxide ion donates hydride ion H negative to blue molecule of formaldehyde. Methoxide ion is formed. Methoxide ion is formed and the hydrogen is received by molecule. Then methoxide ion receive proton from formic acid, methyl alcohol, and formate ion is formed. Methyl alcohol and formate ion. Finally, formate ion react with sodium hydroxide to give sodium formate. In this way, one molecule of formaldehyde is reduced to methyl alcohol, other is oxidized to sodium formate. Now we will consider the example of benzaldehyde. Same is the case. Two hydrogen are added to blue molecule of benzaldehyde to give benzyl alcohol, and benzaldehyde is reduced to benzyl alcohol. Other molecule is oxidized to sodium benzoate. This is also disproportionation reaction, self-oxidation reduction reaction. Now cross Cannizzaro reaction. Let us discuss example of formaldehyde and benzaldehyde. Cross Cannizzaro reaction. Formaldehyde is stronger reducing agent. It will be oxidized. Benzaldehyde will be reduced to benzyl alcohol and formaldehyde will be oxidized to sodium formate. This is the Cannizzaro reaction of those aldehyde which have no alpha hydrogen.